ChatGPT answers questions, agents do your work. In this video, we're going to go through 7 real examples of AI agents that you can build. I'm going to demo and show you how to build one, and stick around for the end for the best ways to sell these AI agents to clients. It's going to be a good one. So remember, the difference between an AI agent is that it can go out and actually do different tasks, go out and search information and reply, do all this stuff, right? So it's just like a person can do work basically. So for this, we're going to be using HappyCapy because they have this automations feature that basically you can just like schedule it to keep doing this work over and over again. So for this one, I thought the best one to show you and demonstrate would be something that's like the most common that you could sell, which is an automated review monitoring system agent for Google reviews. So every business on the planet gets Google reviews, right? And then they have to respond to them. It takes time. They probably don't like doing that. So this one, it takes business name and location as an input. It searches for their Google reviews using the web search skill. And for each review found, generates a personalized response, okay, and gives, because this is a ranking factor for your business, if you have a local business, right, and gives it a tone. And yeah, then you can email. This platform here has this email system that emails you. It's kind of like a hosted on this platform, right? You have an email hosted on this platform, and it sends you an email with whatever information. So it could be, whatever news that you want sent. In this case, we will have email draft responses to our new reviews. So we can say make it runnable as a daily cron job. Actually, it's better to set that up later as an automation. So I'll just remove that first here as well. So what happens now is this basically creates its own computer. This has like Claude Code under the hood, which is like the best tool for creating and coding. So my agent is now ready. You can see that it takes a business name. So I can just use this in here if I want to just add a business name. We'll do that in a second. And it gets for each review, positive reviews. It gives a specific thank you messages and then saves them all for me and will email them to me. So that saves a ton of time, right? Obviously, the next step we could do is actually connect to Google and actually just respond automatically. So we can see that this agent actually tested its own, so we know that it's working. But let's actually do this with a real business. So I've got this business here, the Long Haul Pub in Dublin, which is really good. Let's put that in here. So I was getting some responses back from some comments, but it was really just sample comments. So what I really want is the real deal, right? So to do that, we need the Google Places API. I'll leave this down in the description. There's a ton of different APIs, but basically just go to here, Places API, get your API key, and then give it to HappyCapy. And now we got some actual real reviews retrieved. So there's Jacob K from last week. I saw it there, Jacob K. This is on Google Maps, right? Okay, so now I just got some sample reviews. So we got the draft response. Thank you for taking the time. Such a beautifully written review. Your words about our Victorian interior, the crimson ceiling, it just kind of goes over. So this is really nice that the owner doesn't have to do this now for every single. Imagine a business, that has hundreds of reviews per day. That's going to be quite difficult. So you can get this in the outputs here. The next thing I would do is to run an automation to do this like every day. So I can go here to automations and go for a new automation. Okay, so I'll just say email me responses. I'm not going to do it directly onto my business platform just yet because I'd want to go through and test it and make sure it's doing the right thing. And that's kind of the thing about the AI agent. It's not like super easy to build, but it's pretty easy. I mean, I have to say. So you can just put the daily interval then and send me an email with this every day. So you just create that, and then it's going to send you the email. So I have my email saved in this tool. So it's going to email me every single day at whatever time I want with the responses from any business that I choose. So you can imagine how valuable this is for businesses, right? Because we can automate this whole process, and that's what AI agents can do. So really the amount of these things that you can do is just endless, right? Even for any single business, right? So you could do a review response agent, right, that monitors Google, Yelp, and Facebook reviews. You could do a cold outreach review. So it's actually like getting new leads for businesses. All local businesses need new leads all the time coming in. All online businesses like me or like any other business online, we like traffic. Okay, it's kind of a similar idea, but it's like more traffic equals more people seeing your products. So if this is all automated, then amazing, right? Content repurposing agent, that's another really good one. It monitors a YouTube channel, right, for new videos, fetches a transcript versus via super data. So this is like a tool. I tried to do this for myself with my own YouTube, and it struggled to get the permissions to transcribe the videos and get the transcripts. So you can use something like this, a super data API. So this will actually use the AI to get the transcripts, metadata, and turn the YouTube into structured data so you can use it. Okay, and then you can go into all sorts of businesses, you know, HVAC and plumbing and stuff. And whenever they get new service requests, it checks the technician availability and location, assigns job by proximity and urgency, and sends job details to technician's phone. So you can just do so much stuff, right? Proposal generate. You can think about this for any business possible, right? Really, and sell them on this. So personally, what I would do is to run the automation all the time, and then build a UI in like Bolt or Lovable and connect it to this. So you can get like, you know, your own website with, you know, your AI agent that people can use, and then you can even use SEO to get people to your AI agent to sell. So we're going to get into a little bit of selling now. So if you are running any sort of online business, I always recommend SEO because it's just a good way to get traffic every single day. It takes time sometimes, but if you build it, then they keep coming, every day. Me, for example, I have like thousands of people who read my websites every day, and thousands of people who watch my videos every day through SEO. And the sponsor of this video is bishopi.io. So they are an SEO platform that you can use all the tools you need to perfect your domain and SEO progress. So you can track everything you need, you know, your domain authority and your trust metrics, all your traffic, all of that, where it's coming from, the keywords that you're ranking for. You can do competitor analysis. I am always trying to do competitor analysis because SEO is a competitive game, right? There's only a certain amount of places there at the top, so you want to see what your competition are doing. You can also do backlink research to find what your competitors are doing for backlinks, where they're getting from, because that's the best place to start. Because if you need backlinks, you need links from other websites to your website, well, then your competition is the best place to start because they've already got links, so you know that people are open to linking to websites. And you can also do keyword research by finding high value keyword research opportunities. So always a good idea to do keyword research for your website and attract people to these AI agents. So you can try this down below in the description, and all the links and the APIs and everything that we're building will be in the description. So how do we actually sell these AI agents? I mean, you can sell them in so many ways. You can make YouTube videos about them. You can do LinkedIn Sales Navigator, right? You can do Facebook ads. One of the things that I recommend is actually going to AI meetups in your city, in your town, right? Wherever you live, because once you start meeting people, a lot of people are just this curious. They're like, what can I do with AI? You know, it's like, I know there's something big happening here, but I don't know what it is. So that's a great way to just, because you need to trust people, right, with this stuff. So talking to people one-on-one is the best way really to sell something like an AI agent, because yeah, you do definitely need trust, right? But if you give them like the one that we built in this video, like they're going to be super happy. That's an easy one to start with. Once you build them one, and they'll be like, oh, this guy can build these things that's absolutely saving me like hours every single day of my time. Imagine like a business like this, they just don't have time to respond to 10, 20, 30 different reviews every day, because it's just time consuming, you know, and they have to run their business. So that's definitely one of the best ways. LinkedIn is great, but you know, online you definitely need to actually make videos, in my opinion, because people will trust you when they start seeing you and the way that you talk and the way that you present yourself. Okay, so I hope that video was helpful. Thanks very much for watching. Subscribe to the channel if you want more videos about AI, coding, AI agents, all that stuff. We're just doing all that stuff in this channel, learning and teaching, and that's it for this video. Thanks for watching.